This is Kelly, and I'm here to show you how to do a knit two together, which is a right leaning decrease of 1 stitch. So you would insert your right hand needle or your working needle underneath 2 stitches from the front to the back, grab that working yarn and bring it through. Let me show you again. I'm just going to knit 1 stitch away and then do that one more time. Take your right hand needle, insert it underneath the 2 stitches from front to back, wrap your working yarn around, bring that back through. That is a knit two together.